Hey there guys, it's a couple of days before Christmas and I just thought I'd hop on and wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season. I know my family has been, and it's just been a lovely time to reconnect. Last October, a couple of months ago, I recognized that I wasn't spending as much time with the right people. And in my case, I wanted to be more with my kids and more with my husband. And I kind of just went about intentionally creating and planning activities that involved the people in my house more. And maybe some of you are excellent at that, but I just found that I had gotten into a rut where I was designing every single weekend and trying to just get things done. And one of the things that I've done the last couple of months is intentionally plan a lot more trips with my family, which, I already like to do, but also just family time at home. And this has been, I told myself that going into this Christmas season that I was going to spend more time with my family. And I know that this is a podcast about design, but I really think this is fundamental. Part of the reason we become designers is because we want to be creative. But the other reason we become designers that own our own design business is because we want to be flexible. And those two things go hand in hand. And the only reason I care about being flexible is so that I can do things with my family. And so I think in this season, whatever it looks like for you, maybe it's friends, maybe it's close neighbors, maybe it's your church community, whatever it is that lights you up, I hope you're doing it. And I hope that you find more of it this season, because if you can rest this last little bit and enjoy a great Christmas movie, even if it's actually, I really enjoy watching Christmas movies by myself, by yourself or with your kids or with your family or your parents or whoever it is that is going to make this a fun holiday for you. I hope you get to do it. I hope you enjoy it. And especially, I've always loved that it's Christmas and then a week later it's New Year's. And the reason I love that is because we do bring all these things into our home around Christmas time. People, love, food, friendship, family. And then a week later, we get to push out what we want to do in the coming year. And I do think there's some nice things related to that. So I just hope you have a wonderful Christmas. However you may celebrate it, I hope it's wonderful. And I hope you spend the next week getting to reflect and be with your family and enjoy all the good things, because I tell you what, when you can rest and have that downtime, it is great for your creativity, and it will come back to you in ways that you don't even realize it's coming back to you, because that rest is really necessary for us to be our best creative selves. And you guys know I like it when you come as your super creative selves, because that's when we produce the best design work. All right, you guys, have a wonderful weekend and Christmas. I can't wait to see you next week, and just enjoy your holidays.
Hey, did you know that you can visit me at makeanddesign.com to learn more about this podcast and join my VIP group for weekly freebies? I can't wait to see you there.